Earlier, there was this thinking. The earlier, what is the old divide that people already having a lot of money, a lot of resources, they only can grow, they can make more money because money helps make more money. But this was the old divide. That is, the poor will get poorer and rich will become more rich. Yeah, because they have the resources, they have the money, they have the hold over natural resources like petroleum and other minerals and land. But now, what is the new divide? So, guys, now we are no longer in the agriculture age, we are no longer in the industrial age. Currently, we are also no longer in the age of information. So many people, कई लोगों को लगता है कि we are still in the age of IT or age of information. Currently, you're living in the age of ideas. Okay. So 2017 के अंदर the information age got over, and now we are all living in the age of ideas. And what does this say? That innovative ideas have more value than money. तो जिन लोगों के पास में बहुत ज़बरदस्त आइडियाज़ हैं और उनको एग्जीक्यूट करने की कैपेबिलिटी है, ओके, सो दे विल सक्सीड. एंड जो अर्लियर टाइम में ना प्रेशियस रिसोर्सेज होते थे, जैसे कि नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज लाइक लैंड, ऑयल, these were all the precious resources and minerals. But now, what are these new resources? What are the new resources? These are resources that are born out of what? Knowledge. Okay. Born out of your brain power, your ideas. So this includes industry niches, information, and digital assets. So guys, let me tell you a little bit about these niches. Very important for you to know कि ये actual में है क्या. तो पहले के टाइम में क्या था कि जैसे अमेरिका में लोगों ने जब आए थे उसके अंदर, तो उनको ना लैंड मिल गया था कि किसको कितने एकड़ लैंड लेना है ले लो आप. किसी ने 50 एकड़ ले लिया, किसी ने 100, किसी ने 500 की मैं इस पे खेती करूंगा. सो दे गॉट होल्ड ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. एंड नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट यू डोंट नीड एनी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. नाउ इफ यू बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट इन एनी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, so that is known as an industry niche. If you the narrower you are, the more narrower the niche, the more specialized you are, so you will become a king of that area. So you choose an area like garment manufacturing. अगर आप कहते हैं तो garment manufacturing में तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं. But if you say that I am into manufacturing of garment for a very very specific for teenagers, okay, for generation Z, okay, so that becomes specific. You can further make it narrower. Sports garments, right? That makes it further narrower, and you become a king of that area. So earlier जो rich and poor का divide था, अब new divide क्या हो गया है is between people who are tech savvy and who are non tech savvy. So people who are able to utilize technology, okay, and who are not able to use technology, because whether you like it or not, टेक्नोलॉजी जो है अब हर एक चीज के अंदर घुस गई है. चाहे वो आपका एजुकेशन हो, चाहे कोई लीगल एस्पेक्ट हो, चाहे डिजाइन हो, चाहे बिजनेस हो, कोई भी चीज हो, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो, किसी भी चीज को उठा के आप देख लो. Everywhere you will find technology has permeated all aspects of our lives. So what is the problem now? Ki, a lot of people, they have a lot of technology. All of you are having smartphones. All of you are having laptops. And all of these things can do nearly the same thing, right? There is hardly anyone who can say कि नहीं मेरे पास तो कोई specially laptop है या मेरे पास कोई specially technology है, right? But what is the problem? So the problem is not with the tools. The problem is with your thinking. Problem is that कि जैसे हम Microsoft Excel की बात करते हैं. So Microsoft Excel, is it a new invention? Spreadsheets. आपको क्या लगता है spreadsheets कब बने होंगे? They were invented in 1970s. So there were programs like VisiCalc, Lotus 123, if you remember. तो ये 1970s की invention है. और unfortunately अभी आप लोगों को लगता है कि ये भी एक नई चीज है, ऐसा नहीं है. So now, if you consider 1970 and we are not in 1900s anymore, we are in 2020. So nearly 50 years have passed since the spreadsheets have invented. And now the spreadsheets that you have, they are far more powerful. Okay, तो कई बार क्या होता है हम लोग इस चीज को realize नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, इन जो टेक्नोलॉजीज आपके हाथ में है, जैसे स्मार्टफोन है, आपको लग रहा है फोन ही है, तो इट इज नॉट एज सिंपल एज दैट. अभी क्या है कि इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ AK-47, बट आपको लग रहा है कि इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ पिस्टल बिकॉज यू डोंट नो द वेयर द रियल बटन इज. या दैट कैन हेल्प यू fire 100 bullets in 1 minute, right? So that is the whole problem, that you are not even realizing कि जो tools आपके हाथ में है वो कितने ज़्यादा powerful हैं, right? So the tools are already there. You only need to change your thinking, and if you change your thinking, the results will automatically change. So the kind of things that are already available with us, so you don't even have to go and spend a lot of money out there to realize the power of these tools.